Hey, early 2000s yard machine. Has been started in several years. It's sitting outside. What you want to do is take a look at the oil. It exists. Good enough for our purposes. And the fuel that's in here is going to be junk, so let's just dump that out. Now I'm a lazy bastard, so we're doing this instead of going to the gas station. Mower was acquired at a bargain basement price from a garage sale 3 years ago. I'm told the previous owner said that it ran great and its performance rivaled only that of the Mason 1500. He even offered to show us a technique to make it start the first pole every pole. Many men have attempted to start this mower. They all have failed, and thus it has sat outside in the elements for the last 3 years. With some fresh gas and a minimal time investment, I think we're going to be able to get her to shoot.